Why don't we continue with the rest of our bulletin? More than 70% of Kenyans believe the country is headed in the wrong direction, according to the National Research TIFA survey conducted. The survey was conducted between July 24th and June 28th, 2021. The survey covered a variety of important economic, political, and social welfare public issues. Nancy Nelima gives us details.
The survey released by Trends and Insights for Africa TIFA addressed two thematic areas: President Uhuru's legacy and the problems facing Kenyans. The survey was based on the fact that there is considerable political activity, notwithstanding the public health guidelines and legal restrictions put in place to control the still lethal COVID-19 pandemic. On the direction the country is heading, 72% of the country think the country is headed in the wrong direction. 14 neither right or right direction. 12 think the country is headed in the right direction, and 2 did not give a response. On the reasons for the wrong direction, 38% give high cost of living as the challenge, 16% unemployment, 13% political issues, 10% corruption, 10% COVID-19 pandemic effects, and 5% debt. And on the reasons for the right direction, 18% COVID-19 management, 14% infrastructure, 9% education, 8% cost of living, 9% political issues, and 6% employment. President Uhuru's legacy has been perceived the positive aspects, 47%, which is completing launching infrastructure projects, that is the SGR and roads, 10% enhancing national unity, cohesion, and the handshake, 4% extending electricity grid, 4% providing jobs, financial support for need, and 2% reducing the cost of education. And President Uhuru's legacy perceived under the negative aspects: 18% increased public debt, 17% economic hardships for many Kenyans, 11% increased corruption, 5% violation of his oath, that is disobedience of court orders and the constitution as well, 4% betrayal of his deputy president. And on the challenges facing people in Kenya, Kenyans decry unemployment at 26%, cost of living, hunger, poverty, COVID, water supply, crime, corruption, roads, electricity supply, and others at 5%, and 8% are not sure. Well, nationally, only a few mentioned COVID-19 as the main problem or challenge facing most people in their locality. At 5%, there is considerable regional variation, with the residents of Nyanza over 5 times more concerned with the issue as those of Coast or Northeastern at 2 and 0% respectively. Evidently, such heightened concern in Western regions reflects the recent spikes in cases, reportedly as a result of the arrival and spread of the more aggressive Delta variant said to have originated in India. As with most countries around the world, the Kenya government has faced many challenges in seeking to balance public health requirements and economic realities in responding to the COVID-19 pandemic. Nancy Nelima, Look Up TV.